Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus the Honda Civic. We will explore the fundamental differences between a high-performance supercar and a versatile, everyday compact car. Our discussion will cover how performance, practicality, and overall cost vary greatly between these two vehicles. Ultimately, this comparison will help you determine which car best suits your specific driving needs and lifestyle, offering a clear perspective on their distinct advantages. When it comes to raw power, the Audi R8 stands out with its naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing up to 602 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.1 seconds. In contrast, the Honda Civic, while offering several engine options, peaks with the Type R's turbocharged four-cylinder engine, generating 315 horsepower. This enables the Civic Type R to reach 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, a respectable figure for its class. Beyond performance, practicality and cost are major differentiators. The Audi R8 is a dedicated two-seater sports car, offering minimal cargo capacity, typically around 8 cubic feet. Its price point begins at over $160,000. The Honda Civic, however, is designed for everyday use, comfortably seating 5 passengers and providing approximately 15 cubic feet of trunk space, with a starting price around $25,000 and fuel economy reaching up to 49 miles per gallon combined for hybrid models. The Civic is a far more economical choice. So which car is better? The answer depends entirely on your priorities. If you seek an exhilarating driving experience, a powerful V10 engine, and the prestige of a true supercar, the Audi R8 is your choice. It's built for passion and performance. However, for reliable, efficient, and affordable daily transportation, the Honda Civic is the clear winner. It offers exceptional practicality, impressive fuel economy, and outstanding value, making it the superior option for the vast majority of drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.